All right, we're here for the Staccato Range Day at Prairie Fire Range in Nevada. We've got about 6 different bays, well, 6 different stages that we can shoot at. We also got something going on the inside there. So we're gonna take a look around, shoot some guns, and we'll be back soon. Stay tuned. Thanks. Hell yeah.
Huh? That's at 1187. Oh, thank you. Fast? Yeah. He's faster. I don't know, man. He's faster. How we doing? Yeah. Outside in, that's fast way. Circle, you're ready, stand by. $8:69, the new time to be.
Holla!
This down. I'll get you now. Hold on 1 second. Let me get you.
Have a job, Pat. Pat just got the new time to beat. How's that?
I think you beat it by like 5 seconds.
Yeah, I think it was like 13 something was the one before that.
Well, there's my chance.
Let's go.
Let's go, Patrick.
Let's go.
Nice shooting.
You weren't joking. You're fast.
Yeah.
Who's up next?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks, brother. Pat, that might be your 1-year membership to the Staccato Ranch in Texas. 8.3, baby. Represent Rhode Island, guns and ammo, holla. I ain't gonna lie, we're having a really good time.
Just take the pool of Vista here, so hey, that's a lot different, huh?
Way better.
Holy cow, that saves lives right now. David loves it.
Nice job.
Wrong bag. Oh, wrong bag.
Yeah, man.
Which one's the new one? The C right here. Oh. Can I give that one a go?
Yeah, man.
Are you gonna go?
Yeah, I'm gonna go as soon as it's done.
Yeah, sure.
18 round capacity versus 16. Yep.
Yeah, Big Daddy George. The shit in it. XL's my favorite gun we make.
God damn. God damn.
Holy crap.
Yep.
How much is this?
Take something out. Yeah.
No, try the last one. Take my kid out of there. Try the last one.
One more.
I don't get to see my firstborn anyway. We're good. Oh, yes.
Hey, I ran the hell out of that thing.
Hey, you gotta come try these.
This one in particular.
Y'all get behind me.
What do you think, Gary?
Tell me that my birthday's coming.
Sir, how are you? Good.
Yeah, I need that one. That's the one. I told you. That's the one. Thank you. Absolutely. Oh, that's.
You got to run video.
I'll do. So that one don't look like it's gonna go.
Say again?
So that one didn't look like it was gonna go. I don't feel the recoil.
Yeah, that's it. We have those at the academy.
So that was that one?
Correct. Sir, go for it.
Yeah, I feel good. I feel good. I run for
You know, my only problem is the grip is thick enough for me not to release. Oh yeah, fucking it's just like a little twist.
I ain't gonna lie, we're having a real good time. It is cold, it is raining a little bit, but it's a blast. All right, so we're here at Prairie Fire Range in Nevada, and yeah, never seen anything like this before. Definitely not your kid's jungle gym. There's another range off to the distance down in, not exactly sure what that is, but this place is absolutely amazing. Again, Prairie Fire, not sure the town that it's in, but it's in Nevada, and we're here for the Staccato shoot, and saw this in the distance, and I said, hey, we gotta come down here and check this out. Hell yeah, dog's maxing and relaxing right there. You're in the Nevada area, check them out.
Everybody's going around up here.
Save from around here, anywhere close.
Actually, I had to get it down to about 10. Far away from all that. So, question: you have ranges, and people use range plans and chamber works, right? Absolutely. Why are we making a gun safe by putting a thing in front of it? Obviously,